So I want to start. Let me show you how to create a folder in your system. When you right click, you see new. In this new, you click, put your cursor in new, you click on folder. You have created a folder. So this folder now, you can name the folder to whatever that you write. Like, let me say my folder. You can name it whatever you like, whatever you know you can be able to remember. Then you click OK, and this is your folder. Inside this folder, now the reason we create this folder is that you can use this folder to put some documents. Like, you can put this document inside this folder. You can put this document inside this folder. Folder makes your system to look neat. So this document can be inside this folder. When you want to see the document, you double click on the folder, then on how your system setting is, and you can see the documents here. You can still bring it out if you want. You can still bring out the document by doing what? By dragging it out of the folder. You can still bring it out of the folder if you like. So this is how to create your folder. So if you want to delete this folder, but before I show you how to delete, let me just take this thing. You can still bring them here. There it is again by dragging it. So you can still also delete. If you don't want this folder again, just click on it, and then you click on delete, and the folder will be deleted. So that is how to create folder.